Hey guys, I'm just making this video to very quickly review our two laws of logic that we learned yesterday. There's the law of detachment and the law of syllogism, and I just wanted to review them before you do these Desmos practice problems. So the first law is the law of detachment. This says if the statement if P then Q is true and P is true, then we can conclude that Q is true. So as an example, this statement says, if 3 points are collinear, then they lie on the same line. And then we are also told that points E, F, and G are collinear. So since we know the statement is true and we know that points E, F, and G are collinear, that means we can conclude that points E, F, and G lie on the same line. That's our conclusion. And that's what it says here. If P, then Q is true, and P is true, then Q is true. That's the law of detachment. The law of syllogism says that if these two statements, if P then Q and if Q then R are true, then we can cut out the Q in the middle and just go from if P then R. So they went straight from the P all the way over to the R. They cut out this stuff in the middle, which is Q. So let's look at it as an example. This says, if you wear school colors, then you have school spirit. If you have school spirit, then you feel great. What can you conclude? So we're going to cut out all that stuff in the middle about having school spirit, and we're just going to go straight from if you wear school colors to then you feel great. So our conclusion is going to be, if you wear school colors, then you feel great. That's our conclusion. We cut out that stuff in the middle about the school spirit because that's what the law of syllogism tells us that we can do. We can cut out the stuff in the middle, which up here is the Q's. But down here in our example, it was the parts about having school spirit. So our conclusion is, if you wear school colors, then you feel great. Hopefully this is enough of a reminder of what we did yesterday for you to do the 5 Desmos slides today. Email me if you have any trouble, and like and subscribe.